Hello there, and today I'm going to make a drawing video about, dragons. Because I'm really getting used to drawing a lot of dragon characters, and that's usually what I'm good at drawing. So I'm going to be drawing a wyvern, a wyvern, a wyvern? How do I pronounce it? I think it's called a wyvern dragon character. And today I'm going to start off with the head. And of course, the wyvern's going to be very bird-like because it kind of reminds me of birds. There's the head. There's the body. Kind of looks very snake-like. At least it's gonna have wings and legs, so it's not gonna really look like a snake afterwards. So I'm gonna draw its legs. I should draw his legs a little longer. Gonna erase back down here. Going to it's kind of looking at the camera. And I'm going to draw the wings. I'm going to things like this. Nah, that wings are too far apart. Go and draw them a little bit closer. Go move the camera. That's a little better. And just draw the spikes on the wings. Gonna draw the membrane of the wings. Since this is the other wing, I'm not showing the membrane of the other wing because, well, going to correct myself again. Doesn't look right when the other leg is longer than the other. And I'm going to, yep, that's a wyvern character. It's not the best drawing, I guess, of a wyvern character, but I'm getting really used to drawing these dragon characters. And that's it. Oh yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe.